Firstly, I would like to go to the moon. The moon is a round white light that shines to the earth at night. The moon, also known as the lunar, is a natural satellite that was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. It consists of soil, rocks, soil, rocks, mountains, valley, headland, highland, water bodies, and core. etc. My name is Sadiq Raji, and here with me are
Benato Cherry,
Modi Ebenezer.
the crystallite team of this great night are very much aware of the challenges faced in the moon, ranging from inhabiting lava tubes, toxic bodies, water problem, adequate water, as enumerated by Brian. The crystallite team have proper solutions to this challenging space exploration, as we present our suitable and innovative city named Crystallite Lunar City for 100 years to come, with the aim of decongesting the Earth. Building a world space exploration through having space-based technologies. Thank you.
the crystalline lunar city is located at the brighter side of the moon. For its environmental energy, solar energy, founded in January 2021 with favorable weather conditions as astrobotic lander built by the city engineers, regulates the temperature level all through. Our city gives equal accessibility for able and disabled citizens in its various segments. Our city uses natural features like lunar soil, bricks by our civil engineers, helium as energy, anodized as metals for construction, glass and titanium to produce a dome in which the city is situated. The city is blessed with natural features like the sun reflection, greenhouse. The houses are for both individuals and an apartment for future use. A relaxation center as a Virgin Greenland for future use. As a Virgin Greenland for future use. Child birth control measures. Budget on how to sustain and fund the city for its upkeep. Utilities ranging from police force, fire servicemen, medical team, and standard education via research work. It is an age-friendly city that recognizes 20 to 55 grades as a citizen. The crystallite team has undergone research work on other planets and discovered that against all odds, living things and non-living things can survive in the moon with our unique futures. After a chat with a team of engineers from Nigerian Communications Satellite, NICOMSAT, and Nigerian Information Technology Development Agency, NICTA, the COVID-19 deprived the team of our intended costly visits. The team has projected a large human settlement as families and densely settled with segments. The city is located close to the brighter part of the moon, as reflection of the sun shall be useful in providing the basic needs of human beings, with an average of about 150 million kilometers or 93 million miles from the sun as at 1st June 2018. The city uses sustainable, which are the helium-3 and titanium. The presence of helium-3 makes it easy for the production team. Helium-3 was used in the city as fuel for our nuclear power plant situated in the city. Greenhouse. Thus, power generation and transmission was made possible. A helium-3 gas has 2 protons and neutrons in its molecule with an atomic weight 4. This happens in every especially energetic nuclear reactor. In this presence of the sun, use of energy was made available and sustainable for its dynamic importance. Thank you very much.
The outer material used is titanium, used as an alloy in aircraft, naval ships, spacecraft, and missiles, due to its high tensile strength to density, high corrosion and resistance, and ability to withstand moderately its temperature most Our city has used this in the production of a dome and the space shuttle with a large capacity. This is made to save citizens from lunar dust and other abrasive and nasty particles. These two resources will help greatly in securing and sustaining the city. The team is determined and focuses on product and processes for our future endeavors. That is why our team has built a city in the moon to decongest the earth, because the relationship between economic relationship and decongestion is complex. The first question arises: how long does it take to get to the moon from earth? What lessons or new ideas do we need to know about the moon and its sustainability process for our safety, most especially in the area of health and security? A city needs an adequate provision of food, shelter, communication, transportation, security, education, and birth control measures for an estimated population. The innovative and creative ideas shared among the team are as follows: the production of a greenhouse powered the sun through the use of solar panels, the production of a space shuttle which is close to the speed of light that carries both humans and dismantle particles to the moon, the production of a dome for breathable air in for the citizen, the instrument, the silicon glass you need to do you the silicon glass you need to use will make it easier. And we also have a robot that controls the heating and the cooling of air